Authentication. Yup, that's your login and sign up system. We'll build beautiful forms, manage user input, handle basic validation, and simulate a login sign-up flow. Let's go. Open your terminal and create a new React app. Bash npx create React app, React auth demo, cd React auth demo, npm start. It should open your browser at /localhost 3000. Now open the project in VS Code. Inside the src folder, create a new folder called Pages. This is where we'll keep our login and signup components. Create two files, login.js and signup.js. Let's start with the signup form. Inside signup.js, write import React, useState from React, function signup, const form data, set form data, useState, username, email, password, const handle change equals e, set form data, form-dame, target.value, const handle submit equals prevent default, console.log user registered form data, alert sign up successful, return dpx, form on submit equals handle submit, input typelet text namebook username, placeholder username value, form data.username, on change handle change, required, input type equals email name placeholder email, form data.email, on change handle change, required. Input type password, name password, placeholder password, value, form data.password, on change to a backend. On signup, export default signup. This form stores user input in useState. When submitted, it prints the data to console and shows an alert. Of course, in real apps, you'd send this to a backend. Now in login.js, write import React, useState from React, function login, const credentials set credentials equals useState email password, const handle change equals set credentials dot credentials target.name target.value, const handle login equals prevent default. For now, just simulate login if credentials.email user@example.com and credentials.password 12346. Alert login successful, else alert invalid credentials. Return div style padding 30px h to login. Form on submit, input type email, placeholder email, value, credentials.email, on change, handle change. Required. Put type password, name placeholder password, value, credentials.password, on change, handle changer. Button type submit, login. Export default login. This is a dummy login. In real life, you'd validate these details with a backend or Firebase. Now, let's wire everything into app.js. Replace the content of app.js with import React from React, import login from /pages login, import signup from /pages/signup, function app, return div style text align center, h1, React auth demo, signup, login div, export default app, save it. Your browser should now show the sign-up form and login form side by side. You can sign up with any details. Login only works if you type user@example.com 123456.